Good morning, YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to LWG LogicalWonderz Games YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the phone case for my Motorola G Stylus 5G 2024 smartphone. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. It's not only a case, but also a wallet and storage of cards. It has RFID section for your debit and credit cards and ID cards. I will include links for this phone case in the description below. There you go. Slots for your cards. Has some documents in there, so your lucky money, your lucky coins. Also has a slot for coins and money and see as well. The fruit department. I got it in a purple, it's available in other colors as well. Amazon. Put my Motorola Stylus 5G 2024.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
Wish it wasn't folded, but these starters were circulated, they're not in a good condition.
Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations,
Appreciate you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, my videos, and live streams, shorts,
good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control, and the steps
if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free.
Concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
And if you are PC,
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
tablet, please leave a comment.
Wake up,
If you love support, wish you want to test it.
wake up,
Safe day.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good